unlike half the Chevelles we get through here, this one's a full restoration, 5-speed, 12-volt. As you can see here, we got our modernized gauges, especially the radio. Now, fun fact, that's not just your plain Jane retro sound aftermarket. That radio is in fact $600, which gives a little more value to the car, along with its 15-inch, I believe 15-inch to 16-inch torques. Shifts nice for a 5-speed. For a fun restoration, I think that this car has a lot of talent. Let's give you a little brake test here. Brakes are good. Let's give you a little better road test here. A very fun car. Now another fun thing about this for your heat down here, we got the vintage air, so we can always keep cold during the hot times like today. Definitely a nice car. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around and get her back on the lift so you can take